Okay guys, back at it again. Let's get big. I'm talking very fast because I want to get this fast really done quickly. If you're new to my channel, just what I do is Lego tutorials on Lego fidget spinners. Didn't go far. Sure. But it's a rainbow one. So you see there, yeah. This is just like a fire thing. That didn't break at all. Okay, let's get into the video. Thank you guys for watching my videos. This is going to be please help me, please tell me where to go. If you haven't subscribed already, just subscribe now. Peace out, my homies.